Are you driving for a living? Looking to protect yourself and your vehicle at all times? Meet BlackVue DR900S 2-channel IR 4K cloud dashcam with interior infrared camera. The ultra-wide front camera catches everything happening ahead in 4K Ultra HD resolution. With infrared LEDs, the driver-facing camera produces clear videos even in total darkness, so you can feel at peace while driving or letting your BlackVue monitor your parked vehicle. In case of accident, transferring videos to your phone is quick and easy thanks to advanced compression and fast Wi-Fi. When away from your car, receive alerts on your phone and check on your vehicle instantly, or view later the event videos automatically uploaded to the cloud. BlackVue DR900S 2-channel IR, the best video protection for you and your vehicle. Find yours at blackvue.com.
This is the Owlcam, the only security camera that protects your car, driving, and parked. Owl has inside and outside cameras that you can access from anywhere. So when this happens, Owl sends HD video right to your phone. With Owl, you won't get blamed for an accident that's not your fault. Thieves know to stay away or get caught on camera. And those other moments, yep, on your phone, ready to share. So get smart about car security.
Hey, this is Sean from Owl. I'm going to show you how the Owl car camera protects you in crashes, traffic stops, and break-ins. Owl has an LTE connection, which means everything just works. When driving, the camera is always recording. The last 2 weeks of video is stored and privacy locked on my car cam, so only I can see it. The Owl Instant Video service makes sure I can always get to my driving history, live views of my car, and get video alerts when I'm away. I'll never need SD cards, cables, or a laptop. Without the service, I can still see my video over direct Wi-Fi, but I can't live view or receive alerts. When parked, Owl is on guard and lets me know immediately if something's happened to my car. Now let's go through how Owl works. This is the Owlcam app. Imagine that I have a pretty rough day. It all starts here when I get into a crash. Immediately after it happens, no matter where I am, the video's right here on my phone. No SD cards, no cables, no fiddling with Wi-Fi are needed. From here, I can make a clip and send it to my insurance company. And 10 out of the top 10 car insurance companies accept video footage as evidence. Then later, someone dents my car while I'm away. Owl has the IQ to tell between impacts and broken glass and sends me a video alert. Without Owl, I'd have no idea what happened or when it happened. I can also open up live view to see in real time what's going on in and around my vehicle. On top of all that, I get pulled over. I just tell Owl to keep recording. Another thing about Owl is that when I see something interesting or aggravating, I can say the words "Okay presto" and describe it to make a titled clip. That evening, I saw a lightning strike and said, "Okay presto, lightning strike." And in seconds, I had a clip to share to my friends. So that's how Owl works. The next time something happens to your car, with Owl, you'll have the video.